captured in time, united in a single voice, waiting to shine. To sing together is our choice. There's something in the atmosphere, a feeling in the air. Now we can say the day is here, and everyone can share. United in song, together all across the land, waiting so long, we'll bring to life what we have planned. I think that I can hear it now, a new wave crashing through. It's reaching out to everyone, can you feel it too? This is the moment that we've been waiting for, so let your voices ring out loud. And we know it's gonna be a treasured memory. Sing it loud, sing it strong, sing it proud. This is the moment. We won't rest until we've reached our destiny, to be the best and take our place in history. The world can be a lonely place when things are going wrong, but when we sing in union, it feels like we belong. This is the moment that we've been waiting for, so let your voices ring out loud. And we know it's gonna be a treasured memory. Sing it long, sing it strong, sing it proud. Sing it now. Come on and sing it with all your heart. Anyone can play to be a part. It really doesn't matter if you're big or small, short, thin, round or tall. Cause under the surface we're all the same, and we are united in just one name. And voices is what it's all about, so take a deep breath and let